Hey guys, so we had a tough trading day today. I want to say good and bad on both accounts. So this morning the trades from yesterday, I posted the results. I was up like $80. Took some bad entries and I was down like 230 by at least 12 o'clock today. When the news hit for GDP, I was up. I was up like about 400. I posted my results on my feeds. It's on YouTube on my feeds. So what I'll be doing going forward is I'll just post the results on my feeds so you guys can actively see what position I'm in and how I'm trading, and some good positions. Um Now, as you know, gold is in a downtrend, with some news coming out tomorrow. We have news at 2 a.m., which I didn't get to give you guys that video yesterday at 2 a.m. because I was so tired. I fell asleep. I didn't even trade till this morning. And then but I'll be up for 2 a.m. So look out for that, as well as that USD PPI news. I'll be up for that as well. So I'll be posting screenshots just to let you guys know where I'm at in the position, how it's going, just to give you guys some insight on the how everything is going. But I predict gold is still in a downtrend. It's at this major area of support right here. However, I remember showing you guys yesterday that I was in this gold position. I closed the position prematurely because I thought I wasn't reading for the pullback. It pulled back on me today, and let me tell you guys, if I had caught that pullback, I would be in so deep in profits, but I didn't. But let me just show you on the 4 hour. All right, so I was reading gold today, and I was like, all right, we know it's gonna come down to here, right? Which it did. Came back, and I was like, what's happening? Moved down to the hour, and it gave me this nice 618 pullback, and I did not catch it at all. I'm gonna be honest. It's after I'm like, how the hell did I miss this trade? Like, it gave me this perfect pullback to the 618 level right here. See the wick right here, and just all the way back down. I was so upset. I'm like, wow, this is my setup, and I did not catch. This is the setup that I make big money off, and I did not see it at all. Maybe because I wasn't reading these two candles, but like, it came all the way back up to the 618 and then proceed all the way back down. Now I'm predicting gold to take a massive sell-off. I think it's gonna happen tomorrow. Yeah, because as you see, it's at that major area of support right here. So I'm predicting gold to have that major sell-off. I'm sorry guys, I'm so tired. But I'm looking at a few other trades as well. GBP took a massive sell-off today. As you guys can see, it came back up to this area of resistance right here, and it just tanked all the way down. And I'm predicting by say 2 a.m. today, it's gonna fall all the way down to somewhere in this zone. Let me just show you guys the markups. You saw we had that massive news the other day, and it fell all the way down here. I am predicting, this is a prediction, that it's gonna fall all the way down here tomorrow and then slowly makes its way back up. That's my hopes. If it doesn't happen in the gbpjpy, I think it's gonna happen in the gbp USD. So those are what I have my eyes on. You see that major news hit? This was what, September the 23rd. I'm predicting a similar situation is gonna happen, and we're gonna get that drop all the way down to 04011. That's the area that I'm looking for, to take my sales to. So we're just gonna have to be keen at 2 a.m. I'm hoping that the news is bad for GBP. It was bad this morning, so I am predicting that it's gonna be bad again. But let's see. I don't know. If not, it probably move a little bit to the upside. But if the news is bad, I know I can say with 80% certainty that's gonna come all the way down here and then retrace back up again to hit that buy. So those are the levels that I'm looking at. I'm even going to make a note. Let me just make a note right here, just so I don't forget, because I know that sellers will come into this market. Sellers will come into this market. So I will be making a note so I don't forget that, hey, yeah. So I'm making that note to myself. My lord, making that mental note to myself so that I don't forget. Texts. Yeah, I need a box around it. 24. Take profit here and then buy your way back up. So I'm predicting it to come all the way down if the news is bad. Hopefully I get what I want. So this is just a note to myself, and this is how I actually mark up my charts when I'm trading. The DXY, it hasn't hit what I was hoping for it to hit, but I'm seeing something right here, but I just want to confirm it with my Fibonacci. Nah, it's not it. It's coming back all the way up here to come back down here. That's what I'm looking for. I'll keep an eye on GBP CAD as well, because it looks like a bigger drop to me, but it's outside of this zone, so I don't really want to mess with it if it's outside of this zone, if you know what I'm saying, because you can see that this was a channel and it broke this channel, so this could be a retest and to go all the way up, but I don't want to mess with that. There's certain markets I just don't want to mess with. Alright, so let's test this. This is on the 4 hour. Let's fib this out. This should have stopped me out, because I normally put my stop loss like a little bit above the 786, the 0.786 region, but it would have stopped me out. But I'm looking at the GBP CAD, the GBP USD, and I'm looking at gold to continue its trend down, but I'm looking for a gold trade in the morning. That's what I'm looking for. I think I'm currently in right now. Yeah, I'm in right now. I'm in a setup, but I entered that setup prematurely, and don't get me wrong, the best setup I've caught on gold was I took an entry right here for 0.03, and if I was just that confident to have a bigger lot set, I would be baking in profits right now, because it dropped all the way come to here. I took it like right here, take profit right here. It was $100 at 0.02. so that's just my ideas for today, guys. So it's gold and GBP, that's all we're looking at. Be careful of the news, guys. It's not always perfect, but that's just my prediction. I'm judging that it's gonna be bad news because of what happened yesterday, so just bear with me, and I'm out.